Right now we have taken everything off of the shelves that we had in the garage. We have thrown those out and we are getting ready to toss out everything that we no longer want or need. So while he's outside waiting for the truck to arrive to pick up all of the things that we no longer want, I'm going to make myself a croissant sandwich. So now I just started to take out the flexi rods that I had placed in my hair last night. So when I went to place the flexi rods back into the bin, I realized that I've been putting off cleaning these things off for so long that I figured I'll go ahead and do it today.
Only keep the better bitches on commando. Every time I'm in my trap, I move like Rambo. Ain't a neighborhood in Philly that I can't go. For real. She said, oh, you rich. Bitch, I graduated, call me Big Fish. I got Lori Harry on my wish list. That's the only thing I want for Christmas. I've been in my way out here, yeah, no, that's facts. You ain't live that shit you said, yeah, we know that's cat. You ain't got the action when you see me, know I'm strapped. DTOVO, we back and give them going back.
Just a little 10-piece for it, just to blow it in the mall. Doesn't mean that we involved. I just want
I have no idea where this marking came from, but I'm going to show you guys how great the magic eraser is. Did y'all hear my son making those crashing noises in the background? Right now I'm just ordering more coupon codes for my customers. And once you place your order and it goes through, then Vistaprint normally, well, they always give you an option to buy more things at a discounted price, but they give you like a couple of minutes to order more things. So most of the time I take the opportunity to go ahead and order more things. So I'm gonna get some more of these business cards that I already chose there. And you get like 100 of them for $16 when they get like this special or more. I'm just looking at the other stuff that they have. So I got those business cards and a couple more postcards or coupon codes. My total for this is $50.03.
A bite, a real bite.
Lunchtime, guys, and I ordered Captain D's through Uber Eats because I'm being really lazy today and I didn't want to go anywhere. So the mail carrier just dropped this off, and I think, I don't even know what it is. I ordered so much stuff, but I'm thinking it's my vanilla bean. Oh yeah, this is vanilla bean. It's right there.
What's inside?
So I tried to order this from Walmart, but they had on there they couldn't deliver it to my address, and I was like, what is that about? I've never seen it before. It was like I had to order from a different location. So I went on Amazon and found this, and it's a little expensive on Amazon too. Like, what is so special about this vanilla bean, honey?
I drank these. I'm gonna pop these.
Okay. So I couldn't understand why Walmart wouldn't deliver to my zip code. Like, what the world's going on? It was like my area or something. I have to go to another Walmart or some mess. I don't know. Yeah, I paid like $26 for this on Amazon, and it is a 25.4 ounce. Yeah, so I don't know. It was a little pricey for some damn syrup to put in the coffee, but I guess it's hard to come by or something. I don't know.